Thank you. Thank you.
Starting tomorrow.
The Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya, Dr. BDR Tiwari sir, of East Hassels District, Freedom Shrine Movement, the Director, on this very solemn occasion where we meet with you young people, reminding us the importance of democracy.
You can collect one more. Go. Team election Meghalaya. Meghalaya, one of the best grassroots democracy model being presented by our state, and it has a history of very participative, very peaceful, crime-free, and very festive and celebrative election. So, and if we see the assembly election, we always have 80% plus most, and in Lok Sabha also, this time state achieved highest voting percentage, more than 76%. So entire team election of the different districts we have to really appreciate, and we are proud to announce, you might have come to know, on this National Voters Day, the East Khasi Hills district has been awarded in election management and logistics category the NVD award at the national level. So a big round of applause for the district and the team here Barhoni is representing. So we are telling the team is very dynamic.